This video demonstrates the viewer that is used to view video that's recorded by our dash camera products. This particular vehicle only had one camera stationary in the windshield that you can see is filming video outside the front of the vehicle. If this particular vehicle had two cameras, you could put the system in two-channel mode as seen up in the top left, and you would actually be able to view both cameras at the same time on one screen and see video from both camera angles at the same time. There's a couple of things that you can see here on this particular video. Number one, this is high definition video, and I apologize for the smudge over on the left-hand side of the video. That's actually a smudge on the windshield. It's not a product of the camera, but the camera does shoot high definition and clear enough quality to pick up a smudge on the windshield, as you can see, so I apologize for that smudge. But the viewer shows you a couple of different things here. You can see that as we play the video, and the truck pulls through the parking lot here, over on the right-hand side, you can see the GPS coordinates moving for this truck. That's showing you exactly where the truck was on the map at the time that this video was recorded. So as you can see it, as we pull through this parking lot, the GPS coordinates are changing on the map at the same time. You can also see how fast this particular truck is traveling. And over on the bottom right, you can see G-sensor events, which show you any type of collision or jolt to the vehicle, if you will, and the significance of that particular event. You've got a couple of options here as well to where you can actually pause the video. You can rewind and fast forward the video, even frame by frame. You can also export a video clip to be able to send to someone if you need to, or you can even take an image from the video and save it as a JPEG as a snapshot.